1.5 hours after the operation, which is a 2-level lumbar decompression and stabilization. So first of all, your posture. Stand nice and straight. How does it feel?
Very good.
Yeah, good? Yeah. Any pain in the legs? No pain. And anything in the back? Any pain?
Back में pain हो रहा है?
Little bit, yes, from the operation. Only 1 hour after. Okay, good. And let me see you walking now again. That's good. Perfect. Much better now. Standing straight. Yeah. And then back now the other way. Very good. Do you think? What do you think is posture now?
Very, very good.
Perfect, isn't it?
He was almost like this.
Yeah, he was.
Much, much better.
Yeah. He just now has to remember
That he can stand.
he can stand.